A beautiful magenta hue spreads across the petals while it releases a light fragrant aroma, enchanting both the sense of sight and smell with its bewitching charm. To achieve a calming and relaxing effect, therapeutic orchids are included in our fragrance composition. But beyond that, they will also come with great medicinal value. Here's some of them that you will find in Citrus 12. This therapeutic orchid contains numerous healing properties. Mainly obtained in China and Taiwan, this petite plant is said to be highly beneficial for both the lungs and kidney, strengthening muscles and bones, and is also used in treatment for tuberculosis. There are many others who enjoy the usage of this orchid as a health tonic or nutrient for the body. For the perfect sparkling citrus composition, we've included grapefruit, lemon, and kiwi in Citrus 12, providing the fragrance composition with a natural synergy, giving rise to a zesty yet uplifting scent. Sharp, bitter, and aromatic, grapefruit is popularized in many perfumes, especially those with citrusy accords. Powerful as a top note, it lends a vivacious and refreshing start to the composition that is extremely invigorating. Widely used in aromatherapy, grapefruit essential oil is believed to work in suppressing appetite and promoting weight loss. And of course, not forgetting to include, its energizing scent aids greatly in balancing mood and soothing anxieties. With a tropical sweet and sour fruity note, kiwi emanates a scent that is perfect for hot summer months by adding a refreshing tone to perfumes. Unlike its unimpressive appearance, this fruit packs a powerful punch of vitamin C and is a great source of antioxidants, creating a firmer and smoother complexion. Sparkling, optimistic, and vibrant, this fragrance composition has got to be one of our favorites. Vivid citrus notes depicting a playful, spontaneous, and happy character, this scent is perfect for all citrus lovers. A splash of this adds a powerful, happy tone to your perfume, and who wouldn't want that?